Okay, so in today's session, we're going to be looking at the price elasticity of demand and doing a quick overview of it. So PED is another name or abbreviation of price elasticity of demand. And this here is the equation that you use to work out the PED. So it's the percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in the price. Okay, so for a quick example question here, if the price of a product increased from £5 to £7, okay, and the quantity decreased from 25,000 to 20,000, what would the PED be? So to do that, we need to work out the percentage increase. So the percentage increase from 5 to 7 is plus 40%. And the percentage decrease from 25,000 to 20,000 is minus 20%. So which of these would it be? Would it be that one or would it be this one here? So plug the numbers in. So the quantity demanded has to be at the top. So the quantity demanded decreased by minus 20. So it's going to be this one here. This one here is incorrect. Okay, so make sure that you get the equation, you get the fraction the right way around, because lots of students make this mistake. So it's quantity at the top and price at the bottom. And also don't forget to include the sign, so like minus and plus. Okay, it was a decrease of 20%, so it's minus 20, increase of 40, put a plus sign. Okay, now the answer you get is minus 0.5. So the next question is, what does it actually mean? So the PED of something tells us if the consumers of a product are price sensitive or not. Okay, so if a consumer is very price sensitive, so the price of a good means a lot to them, and if the price goes up, they're likely to cut their consumption, this is known as elastic. Now, on the other hand, if people are not very price sensitive and the price could go up, but yet consumption still continues, or consumption falls but only by a little bit, this is called inelastic. So if we do a calculation up here and we come out with a number, so for example minus 0.5, the number, the absolute value not including the sign, is between 0 and 1. So if it's between 0 and 1, this is inelastic. Okay, if the PED was over 1, so for example, if the PED we worked out was minus 3.5, then that would mean the consumers are very elastic, they're very sensitive to price changes in the market. Okay, so that's what this means. Okay, if, when you interpret the figures. So our little example up here, the consumers were price inelastic. Well, the good was price inelastic. How does this affect the demand curve? Well, in an inelastic PED, so PED between 0 and 1, it will result in the demand curve looking steep, like this. And in the case of elastic PED, so the PED being above 1, it will result in a shallow demand curve, so a lot flatter. Okay? So that's my quick overview of price elasticity of demand. Any questions, just drop them down below.